We just finished doing the mending stitch. That was stitch number 23. But beside it, there's stitch number 21, that's a bar tack, and 22, a belt loop stitch. So let me show you both of those. Let's start with stitch number 21, the bar tack. Same thing as the mending stitch, it's got a reverse button on it. So depending on how long you need the bar tack, you can program it for the length that you need it. So start by sewing. And I would recommend you do this once so you know where it's going to stitch and be prepared for it, and then you can line it up at the right place. So once I get to the length I want, I'm touching the reverse button one time. Now it shows that my needle's going to sew backwards or away from me. I need to stop it when I get to the top. Then touch the reverse button again, and it's going to now do a little satin stitch over the 2 rows of stitching. So the stitching went down, the stitching went back, and now it's like a railroad track, and it's going over it it just really makes it nice and secure. Then, as soon as I have reached and covered up the lines of stitching, touch the reverse button one last time so it can go ahead and lock, and then it will be programmed in to cut, and it will lift up all at once. So a nice sturdy area is going to be bar tacked in place. So if there was a piece of webbing and you needed it to be secured because that's going to hold a lot of weight, that would be a perfect stitch to stitch through there. So let's do the little belt loop stitch. Notice this one where this goes back and forth. The one before it went forward and back. So this is only the width of your presser foot. When you slide this in, go ahead and slide that belt loop in. It's just going to go back to the right, to the left, to the right, and to the left. So it's 4 times and it's done. Okay, so then we'll just lift that up. And so that's the width of the foot. It's super easy, and it goes back and forth 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. Locks it and lifts it.